How am I supposed to enjoy heaven when he's down there like that?
Don't worry, we'll send another dog to ease his pain. But first, you have to train her.
Okay, the first thing you gotta know is what to do when he's sad. Oh,
I'm too depressed. I love you for making me do this.
so if he's sad, just be with him. Got it. And what do I do when he's happy?
This is almost perfect. This is perfect.
Pretty much the same thing.